In April 1970, NASA launched a space mission called Apollo 13. The goal was simple: send 3 astronauts to the moon and bring them safely back to Earth. The astronauts were Jim Lovell, Jack Swigert, and Fred Hayes. Everything was going well until disaster struck. 2 days after launch, suddenly a loud explosion shook the spacecraft. A voice came through the radio, saying the famous words, "Houston, we have a problem." One of the oxygen tanks had exploded. Oxygen was not only needed to breathe, it was also needed to produce power. The spacecraft was slowly losing air, electricity, and heat. The moon landing was immediately canceled. Now the mission had only one goal: survive and return home. The astronauts were forced to move into a small backup module called the lunar module. It was designed for 2 people, but now 3 astronauts had to live inside it. It was freezing cold. They had very little water. Food was limited. Carbon dioxide levels were rising, which could kill them. Back on Earth, NASA engineers worked day and night. They had to solve impossible problems using only the materials already inside the spacecraft. One engineer said, "We have to fit a square filter into a round hole using tape and plastic." And they did it. After 4 terrifying days in space, Apollo 13 finally reached Earth. The spacecraft entered the atmosphere, and for a few long minutes, there was no radio contact. The world waited. Then a signal came through. Apollo 13 had survived. All 3 astronauts returned safely. The mission never reached the moon, but it became known as NASA's greatest rescue mission. Apollo 13 proved that teamwork, intelligence, and calm thinking can save lives, even in the darkest moments.